I want to show you how to add an eye zoom transition in Premiere Pro. Here's a video of a close-up of a girl's face, and I want to create a zoom transition through her right eye into another scene of a creepy forest hut. From the start of the video, create a keyframe by clicking the scale icon under Effects Controls. Now I want to move my frame to just before where I want the zoom transition to begin and create another keyframe. Move ahead about 10 frames by hitting the right arrow key and double-clicking the preview window. Now move the little blue crosshair circle to the center of the eye and zoom in until the majority of her iris fills the frame. Now, with the video still highlighted, hold Ctrl and push K. This will cut the remainder of the clip, and you can delete this as well, as we won't be using it. Now I want to find the exact frame where the zoom starts and make another cut in the video. Under Effects, locate Gaussian Blur and apply it to the new shortened clip. Go back over to Effects Controls, and under Blurriness, click the stopwatch icon and move the timeline slider over to the end of the zoom and change the blurriness to 50. Now you can add your transition clip to the end of the zoom and go over to Effects and type in Dissolve. Click and drag Film Dissolve to the beginning of the new transition clip, and you're done. A nice dramatic eye zoom transition effect.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.